Good morning. And today I want to talk about what happens or why it happens that Etsy doesn't process an order, or if they process it and then they refund it, they cancel the order for you. And this happens occasionally. I had this happen to me just a few days ago where I'll get a little notification and it says order processing or payment processing or something like that next to the order. That means that Etsy, for some reason, has determined that there's something going on with this payment method. Sometimes it's a mistake, but a lot of times there are people who use stolen credit cards, or there's just something wrong with the payment, and Etsy's bots have detected it, and they just kind of put a pause on that order. So you're still going to see it in your orders, but if it says payment processing or whatever, like not hasn't been paid, I think I've seen that before. Don't send the order because there's something going on. And a lot of times Etsy will process an order and then pull it back and cancel it and refund the customer. So for a while they were doing that a lot. They haven't seemed to be doing that as much, but someone in my Facebook group had this happen and they said their friend placed the order, so it's not like it's a random stranger. And they tried to figure out why. Now, the point I wanted to make here is that you will not know why, and Etsy will not tell you why. And this person had gone to Etsy chat and asked support, and support finally is like, I will escalate it to the team and we'll get back to you. They're never going to get back to you because it's basically none of your business, because it's a financial thing about the customer's payment. As Etsy sellers, we don't see any customer payment information. We don't see their credit card numbers. We don't have that information because it's a privacy issue, and Etsy doesn't tell us. So they will never tell you why an order was canceled or pulled back, or why the payment didn't go through. If the customer contacts you and says, why did they cancel my order? You're going to have to tell them to contact Etsy directly, because Etsy will not tell us that because of customer privacy. And that makes total sense. If somebody if somebody has a credit card that's bounced because they've maxed it out or something, Etsy's not going to tell us that. It's a privacy thing. So if you do get an order that says payment processing or hasn't been paid, or I think sometimes it says not paid. I've seen a few different messages on there. Don't send the order until it processes. This can take a while. Sometimes it lasts for 5 or 6 days there, but don't send the order. You can always contact the customer and tell them and say, do you want to try ordering with a different credit card or a different payment method if they use PayPal or something, and then you can offer to cancel that first order if it will let you do that. But don't send anything. Don't send anything. Don't even start working on it, because chances are Etsy might pull it back and the order will not go through. And if you send it, you're going to lose that money because they will refund it and take it out of the money that the customer paid you. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.